So to control the electric stab jacks on the JAYCOMMAND mini system, if your travel trailer's function is to go to the main screen, scroll through the different tabs. Again, coming through, you're going to find the motors functions. As you can see, we're on slide 1. Hit the select button to find which one you want. So we're talking about the electric front stab jacks. You hit extend to bring them down, you hit retract to bring them up. Another way to control them is through the phone app. Again, we're on the home screen. We'll move over to the motors function. We'll swipe unlock. We'll keep scrolling until we find this jacks. And as you can see, it even shows a little picture of a jack. Up is to raise, down is to lower. That's for the rears. You want to do the to do the front jacks, you do the same thing, this and that. A third way to do it is we have a Bluetooth switch on the unit that's on the driver's side in the storage compartment that you can run from the outside. This is just a Bluetooth low energy switch. It extends the fronts, it retracts the fronts, it extends the rear, and it retracts the rear. Those are the many different ways you can run your electric stab jacks through the JAYCOMMAND mini system.